Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most popular spreads out there, peanut butter. Loved for its creamy texture and rich taste, peanut butter is a staple in many households. But before you spread that next spoonful, you might want to hear about some potential concerns. From added sugars and oils to heavy metal contamination, let's uncover the facts about peanut butter that you need to know. What are peanuts? Peanuts are legumes, not true nuts. They are a source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Despite their nutritional benefits, they also carry some risks. Peanut butter production. Peanut butter is made by grinding peanuts into a smooth paste. Commercial brands often include other ingredients, such as added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and preservatives. Added sugars? Many peanut butters contain added sugars, which can spike your blood sugar levels. This is a concern for those managing their weight or blood sugar levels. Hydrogenated oils. To improve shelf life and texture, some peanut butters contain hydrogenated oils. These trans fats can increase your risk of heart disease. They also increase chronic inflammation. High calorie content. Peanut butter is calorie dense. While it can be part of a healthy food plan in moderation, excessive consumption can contribute to weight gain. Allergens. Peanuts are a common allergen and can cause severe reactions in some individuals. Here are the primary allergens found in peanuts. Protein. Peanuts contain several proteins that can trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. The most common allergenic proteins types in peanuts include RH1, RH2, RH3, RH6, and RH8. These proteins can trigger reactions ranging from mild to severe, including anaphylaxis. Lipid transfer proteins. Peanuts contain lipid transfer protein, which are known to be allergens and can cause allergic reactions in some people. Cross-reactivity. Some peanut allergic individuals may also react to other legumes, such as soybeans and lentils, due to cross-reactivity. Additionally, there may be cross-reactivity with tree nuts in some cases. Aflatoxins. Although not an allergen, peanuts can sometimes be contaminated with aflatoxins, a type of mycotoxin produced by mold. While not directly responsible for allergic reactions, aflatoxins can cause other health issues if consumed in significant quantities. People with peanut allergies may experience symptoms such as hives, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. If you or someone you know has a peanut allergy, it is essential to avoid all peanut-containing foods and read ingredient labels carefully to avoid accidental exposure. If a reaction occurs, seek medical attention as soon as possible. Sodium. Peanut butter can be high in sodium, especially in commercial varieties. Excess sodium can elevate blood pressure and contribute to heart disease. Digestive issues. Some people experience digestive issues when consuming peanut butter, such as bloating and gas, possibly due to its high fat and its type of protein content. Omega-6 fatty acids. Peanut butter is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation if not balanced with a high-quality omega-3 fatty acids intake. Pesticides and heavy metal contamination. Peanuts can accumulate pesticides and heavy metals from the soil, such as lead and cadmium. Chronic exposure to these metals can be harmful to health. Peanuts are often treated with pesticides, which may remain on the final product. Long-term exposure can have negative health effects without any doubts. Oxalates. Peanuts are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals and to nutrient absorption. Medication interactions. Peanut butter can interfere with certain medications, such as blood thinners, due to its vitamin K content. Digestive enzymes inhibition. Peanuts contain substances that can inhibit digestive enzymes, potentially affecting nutrient absorption. Glycemic load. Peanut butter has a moderate glycemic load, which may impact blood sugar levels when consumed in large quantities. Migraines. For some individuals, peanuts and peanut butter can trigger migraines due to a few factors. Tyramine content. Peanut butter contains tyramine, an amino acid that has been associated with triggering migraines in some individuals. Tyramine is found in various aged and fermented foods and can cause blood vessels to dilate, potentially leading to migraines. Histamine release. Some people may be sensitive to the histamine content in peanut butter, as histamine is known to cause inflammation and potentially contribute to headaches and migraines. Additives. Certain brands of peanut butter contain additives and preservatives, such as monosodium glutamate, MSG, and artificial sweeteners, which can trigger migraines in some individuals. Mold contamination. Peanuts are susceptible to mold contamination during storage, which can lead to the presence of mycotoxins like aflatoxin in peanut butter. Aflatoxin is a known toxin that can potentially lead to health issues and has been implicated in some reports of headaches and migraines. Fat content. The high fat content in peanut butter can potentially affect blood flow and lead to changes in blood vessels, which can trigger migraines in some individuals. Food sensitivities and allergies. Some people may have food sensitivities or allergies to peanuts or other components in peanut butter, which can lead to migraine attacks. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, peanut butter is a beloved spread enjoyed by many for its creamy texture and rich taste. While it offers some nutritional benefits, such as being a good source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, there are several potential concerns associated with its consumption. Many commercial peanut butters contain added sugars, which can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and may contribute to weight gain and other health issues. To improve shelf life and texture, some brands use hydrogenated oils, which contain trans fats that can increase the risk of heart disease. Peanut butter is calorie-dense, so consuming it in excess can lead to weight gain. Peanuts are a common allergen, which can cause severe reactions in some individuals. Commercial butters can be high in sodium, potentially leading to elevated blood pressure and heart disease. Some people experience digestive issues like bloating and gas due to the high fat content in peanut butter. Peanut butter is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation when not balanced with omega-3 fatty acids. Peanuts can accumulate heavy metals from the soil, which may pose a risk to health when consumed over time. They may be treated with pesticides too, leaving residues on the final product. Also, they are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Medication interactions, since the vitamin K content in peanut butter can interfere with certain medications like blood thinners. Some substances in peanuts may inhibit digestive enzymes, potentially affecting nutrient absorption. Peanut butter has a moderate glycemic load, which can impact blood sugar levels if consumed in large amounts. For some people, peanuts and peanut butter can trigger migraines. Given these potential risks, it's important to be mindful of the type and amount of peanut butter you consume. Opt for natural organic peanut butter without added sugars, hydrogenated oils, or excessive sodium. If you experience any negative effects from consuming peanut butter, such as digestive issues or migraines, consider reducing your intake or consulting with your head healthcare professional. While peanut butter can be a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, being aware of its potential drawbacks can help you make healthier choices and enjoy it in moderation. Always read the labels of commercial peanut butter products to choose the most natural and healthiest options available. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.